Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset Hanseatic Smart TV. To do this, first you will need to click on the settings button in the top right corner of the screen, then scroll down and go for device preferences. Inside, select about, then scroll down to factory reset, click on OK, then confirm it with factory reset and your TV should return to factory settings. And now let's just wait till it's in the boot screen. And when we have a screen like that, that means factory reset is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.